Welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Avasthi's Ayurved Anatomy, Yoga and Spirituality. आज हम एनाटॉमी टेस्ट 3 MCQ अपर लिम्ब बोन्स स्केपुला को ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं। ये वीडियो आप तक पहुँचे उसके लिए कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को दबाएं और जो ये वीडियो हैं उनको लाइक एंड शेयर करें जिससे आपके मित्रों तक भी पहुँचे। पहला क्वेश्चन है द स्केपुला ऑसिफाइज इन मेम्ब्रेन, ए ट्रू बी फॉल्स। तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का कि बी फॉल्स, क्योंकि क्लेविकल एक बोन है जो कि मेम्ब्रेन में ऑसिफाई होती है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 द स्केपुला इज रेज्ड अपवर्ड्स ऑन द चेस्ट वॉल बाय द ट्रेपेजियस मसल, ए ट्रू बी फॉल्स। बेस्ट ऑप्शन ए ट्रू। इसमें एलिवेशन ऑफ द स्केपुला जो होता है वो होता है अपर फाइबर्स ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियस और लिवेटर स्केपुली मसल्स से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 द स्केपुला हैज टेरेस माइनर मसल अटैच्ड टू द इंफीरियर एंगल, ए ट्रू बी फॉल्स। बेस्ट ऑप्शन बी फॉल्स। डिस्क्रिप्शन द teres minor muscle arises by two slips from the upper two-thirds of the rough strip or the dorsal surface along the lateral border of the scapula. Circumflex scapular artery lies between the two slips, and the inferior angle of the scapula is covered by the latissimus dorsi, which is originated from here. It moves forwards round the chest when arm is abducted. The fourth to eighth digitation of the serratus anterior muscle is inserted at the inferior angle of the scapula. Question number 4 the scapula is rotated on the chest wall by the pectoralis minor so that its inferior angle moves laterally, A true, B false. Answer is B false. True description is lateral or forward rotation of the scapula. The scapula is rotated on the chest wall during overhead abduction of the arm by the upper fibers of the trapezius and the lower fibers of the serratus anterior muscle so that its inferior angle moves laterally. And the depression of the scapula or the drooping of the shoulder by the pectoralis minor muscle with lower fibers of the serratus anterior muscle. Question number 5 the scapula has a coracoid process projecting forwards above the clavicle, A true, B false. The best option question 5 is false. The true statement is the coracoid process is a hook shaped bone structure projecting anterolaterally and gives attachment to the coracoacromial ligament or coracoacromial arch, which is also called the secondary socket of the shoulder joint. Question number 6 the scapula has two centers of ossification in its coracoid process, A true, B false. Best option of question 6 is A true. Description it is also to be noted that scapula has 8 centers of ossification. Question 7 the scapula is moved forwards on the chest wall by the serratus anterior muscle, A true, B false. The best option of question 7 is A true. Description lateral or forward rotation of the scapula. The scapula is rotated on the chest wall during overhead abduction of the arm by the upper fibers of the trapezius and the lower fibers of the serratus anterior muscle so that its inferior angle moves laterally. Question number 8 the scapula has the latissimus dorsi muscle attached to its inferior angle, A true, B false. The best option of question 8 is A true. Question 9 the scapula has the long head of the biceps brachii muscle attached to its infraglenoid tubercle, A true, B false. The best option of question 9 is B false. The scapula has the long head of the biceps brachii muscle originated from its supraglenoid tubercle. The short head of the biceps brachii muscle is originated from the lateral lip of the tip of the coracoid process. Question number 10 the scapula as it moves upwards on the chest wall is associated with an upward movement of the medial end of the clavicle, A true, B false. Answer is B false. True statement is elevation of the scapula or the shrugging of the shoulder is associated with the elevation of the lateral end and depression of the medial end of the clavicle. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Avasthi's Ayurveda Anatomy Yoga and Spirituality. Please press bell icon and like and share my videos. भगवान आप सभी को प्रसन्न एवं सुखी रखें, आपकी मनःकामना पूर्ण हो।